Come again to this video training how you are going to learn how to run a paid advertisement on Nairaland, how to push a lot of traffic from using a paid method from Nairaland to your website. So in this video I'll be showing you how to run a paid ad on Nairaland. So many marketers, business owners, website owner, and even complete beginner who are just coming to the internet, whenever they want to run a paid ad, they always remember Facebook and Instagram. So I don't know whether it's because those Facebook and Instagram is a cheap platform for them to run an ad, or I don't actually know, because there are other good platforms that you can actually use to run a paid ad and drive a lot of traffic to your business. Because using Facebook ad all the time is just like a place almost everybody has known that place to run a paid ad, and that is why majority of people running a Facebook ad do not get result. Some of them has to test. You have to test and test and test before you can get a targeting ad or creative, or sometimes you just have to continue to burn money. So you can burn 50k, 100k, and still yet you have not gotten any single result using Facebook ad. Sometimes I do ask myself, why is it that people don't want to try other platform, like trying Nairaland or trying paid Google ad, trying YouTube, Quora, and Pinterest and Twitter and TikTok? Why is it that people do not use all those platforms? Anybody that just want to run ad Facebook, anybody that just want to run ad Facebook, and many of them have been crying they are not getting result. Yes, majority are not getting result. Why? Because is something that Facebook just want to use every method to chop people's money without giving them the actual result they want. So guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can run a simple paid ad using Nairaland. I'm not telling you what I'm not doing. I'm telling you what I've done. I've run ad on this Nairaland myself, and I'm also going to share my experience with you, my result with you, and how you can also run a paid ad on Nairaland and how the result is also going to be. So guys, make sure you watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any step of this video. And if you have any question for me, don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section of this video, and also like this video so that YouTube will get to show this video to other people who are looking for other good platforms to run a paid ad. And if you're a newcomer coming to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn the notification bell to all. So once I upload videos like this, YouTube will get to notify you of my new upload. And if you're a returning subscriber, once again I welcome you and thank you so much for always showing up for me. So to get started with how to run a paid ad on Nairaland, first of all you have to create an account on Nairaland, and if you watch my previous video you will see all of that. So this is how to get started. First thing first, you have to create an account on Nairaland. After you've created an account, your account has been activated and verified, then you can just go to Nairaland. You can just go to campaign. But before we get started, let me show you this stuff. This is an ad. You see this banner right here? This banner is an ad. This person is running an ad. Are you getting me? So that is an ad. I also want to show you another one down below. You can see this again, that this one is also an ad. This person is also running an ad. When you come to Nairaland and you see this kind of banner like this, you know that people are running a paid ad on the platform. And if you come to Nairaland, there is no time you're going to visit Nairaland platform without seeing ad people are running on Nairaland. Before we get started, number one thing you need to get done is, one, you need to have an account on Nairaland. Number two, to get started on Nairaland running a paid ad, you have to have 20k. You have to have 20k because that is the minimum you can use to fund your ad account. Unlike Facebook and Instagram ad, where you can just fund 3,000, 2k and you get started running your ad. But on Nairaland, to get started, you have to fund your account with 20k, and that 20k you can spend that 20k for the whole month. depending on the topics you want your ad to show. If you want your ad to show on Nairaland own page, it's going to consume that money so quick. So to get started running an ad on Nairaland, you have to have 20k ready before you can get started. So to do that, now let's get started on how to advertise. You can see right here, you can see here how to advertise. So we're going to click on that, then it's going to open the page for you. As you can see how to place a targeted ad on Nairaland, advertise on Nairaland. You can see another banner that people are already running an ad, so you can see it. So to do that, to get started in running a paid ad on Nairaland, this is what to do. So once you click on that particular page, it's going to bring you to this page. Then click here. There's a link here. You can see right here, there is a link in this very place. So click on it. Once you click on it, you hold on as it opens. You can see campaign Nairaland. You can see that my account I've run ad already. So I'm not telling you what I've not used myself. You can see that I've run ad already. Advertising credit, I have 11 naira, and you can see amount spent. You can see it right here. Amount spent so far, I've spent about 20,000, 11 something. You can see that I myself have run ad on this particular platform. So to know that I'm not just telling you what I've not used myself, so you can see that I've run ad already on this platform. So you can see my banner that I've used to run the ad, and you can see my landing page link. So to get started in running an ad on this Nairaland, this particular ad myself, I've paused this ad. So to get started in running an ad, so once it open to this campaign, this page campaign, then you click on upload new ad. Just look at it, click upload new ad. Look at it right here. Are you seeing it right there? Click upload new ad. So we click on it. You see upload new ad. So to get started, you need to get a ad banner. You need to get the ad banner. Look at it. This is where you upload it. You need to get the ad banner. Are you getting me? So to get started, there is a banner size that you need to, the particular accurate size that Nairaland accept. They don't just accept any banner. So you need to get them a good size of banner. You can see that 3.18 pixel wide, then 106 pixel tall. So this is the particular size of banner that you must design to get your ad approved on Nairaland. If you get outside this size or weight or tall, you are not going to, your banner is not going to be approved. So to get your banner approved so that you can use it to run ad, you must make sure you get this particular size. Without that, it will not be approved. Now let's assume that you have gotten your banner and every other stuff. All you need to do, click on choose file. Let me show you. Click on choose file. You know, this is a tutorial, so you have to be more practical. You click on choose file. So once you click on it, it's either going to direct you either to your phone gallery or to your computer, whatever, where you have that particular image or banner. So you can just click on it, then you upload the picture or the banner that you want to upload. The banner I want to upload is not here, but it's not here, so it's not going to be approved. But let me just put anything. You see that I've put that particular banner that I want to use. You can see the name right here. You can see that I've put something there. Then secondly, landing page. Here is where you put your site landing page. You see it right here. This is where you put that landing page link. Now let me clarify this. They put landing page. It's not necessarily must be a landing page. Are you getting me? Now let me clarify this. It can be your website address. Your website address, you can put it right in that box. It can be a landing page. A landing page, maybe you set up that landing page, you want to drive traffic from Nairaland to that landing page, either to collect people's data, their information, their name, WhatsApp number and email address. You can put your landing page link in this place. Secondly, you can also put your WhatsApp link after you have shortened your WhatsApp link or generated a new WhatsApp link. Then you can put it here. Then you can send the traffic directly to your WhatsApp, either to a WhatsApp group or to your WhatsApp DM. Then if you want to send the traffic either to a landing page where you're going to collect their WhatsApp number and their email address, you can also put the landing page link here. If you are sending the traffic directly to your website, you can also put your website link in this particular page. I'm sure you are getting what I'm saying. If you do not understand it, just leave me a comment in the comment section of this video. So once you have done all of that, then what you need to do, just come down here, you click on this upload ad. You see it here, upload ad. Once you click on upload ad, your ad will be uploaded, but it will not run. It will be uploaded, and once it is uploaded, Nairaland is going to send you an email containing a bank information. They're going to send you an email to the email address you used to create an account on Nairaland. So all you need to do, log into your email, check your inbox or promotional inbox or folder. Once you do that, you're going to get their bank information, so you can now pay into their bank account. And I've told you that the minimum that you can deposit to run ad on Nairaland is 20k. And the thing is that 20k, you can use it to run ad for 1 week, you can use it to run ad for 1 month, you can use it to run ad for 3 weeks, just depending on how you want it and the topics you want, that is the category you want your ad to be showing to. If you want your ad to be showing on Nairaland homepage, it's going to consume you a lot. But if it is on just on business, maybe sport or news or crime or whatever religion, your ad can stay on Nairaland for good 1 month with that 20k, and you are generating traffic. So the difference is where you want your ad to be showing. So after that, they have sent you that bank information. You can transfer to the bank account, and they have their contact, the WhatsApp and the phone contact that you can contact. All you need to do is to send them an SMS that you have paid the 20k for ad. Once you have done that, your account will be formed immediately. And once your account has been formed immediately, you can get started running your ad. That is just the simple method of running a paid ad. Now, my experience running a paid ad on Nairaland, like I've showed you, you can see right here that I've run ad on Nairaland. Like I've showed you, you can see that I've spent about 20k. So I'm not just telling you what I've not done. Okay, you can see the bank account that you can pay into. To buy more credit, please pay at least 20,000 into this account, Zenith Bank. You can see the account number here. You can see the account information right here, so you can see it. So this is the account you are going to pay, but I won't advise you to copy this one and pay into. Just allow them to send you the account information that serves to your email, so that you can just pay in direct. So you can see that I've run ad on this platform, and I want to share my experience with you guys. My experience running a paid ad on Nairaland. I've run a paid ad on Nairaland. I tried to generate some traffic from Nairaland to a landing page that is a squeeze page, where I'm going to collect people's name and email address. So I tried it. I run this paid ad for about 2 days. There was no any opt-in. Nobody has opt-in to my autoresponder. Nobody has opt-in to my email. Nobody has given me access to their email. But Nairaland was still charging me, and as about that 2 or 3 days, I've spent about 8,000 plus. No single sign up, no single opt-in, nothing. But my money was just burning. So I said, okay, maybe it's because of where I placed the ad, because I placed the ad on business category. So I did not change it because I want people who are interested in making money online, people who are interested in business. So those are the targeted audience I want. So once I did that, I did not get opt-in. Nobody gave me access to their email about 2-3 days. So I have to change the location and also change my landing page. I was not giving them access again to opt into my landing page. I now change direction by removing that link to put my WhatsApp group link. Are you getting me? So I created a WhatsApp group, copy the WhatsApp group link and paste it on where they labeled landing page link. So I paste my WhatsApp group link, then I change from business category to the Nairaland home page. Once you just visit Nairaland, you are going to see my banner. So I did that. As I did that, and within 2 days, the remaining balance has finished. From 8,000, about 12k has finished in 2 days. And in just that 2 days, with your 20,000 and everything, I was able to generate just 2 leads to my WhatsApp. Just 2 leads. 2 people alone came into my WhatsApp and my 20k was gone. So my experience with the platform running a paid ad did not go well, but I can see that people are running ad on Nairaland simply means it's going well. It either be the strategies I used did not work very well, or I'm the one who made the mistake. But notwithstanding, you can go ahead and try it out running a paid ad on Nairaland. But if you want to do that, we tell you don't drive traffic to a WhatsApp group. Don't drive traffic to your DM. Just direct the traffic directly to your website or to your blog, and it may turn out to be well. So guys, that is my experience, and if you want to run a paid ad on Nairaland, you can go ahead and try it out and see how it goes. So if you get value from this very video, don't forget to like this video and leave me a comment down on this video. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you're returning subscribers, thank you once again for always showing up. So guys, see you again in my next video, and bye bye.